There's a reason the 1% keeps getting richer. And it's not luck. It's how they move money, silently, strategically, and ahead of everyone else. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how they do it. Most people believe wealth comes from working harder. But the truth is, the 1% doesn't work for money. They position it. While the average person saves, the wealthy deploy. While others hesitate, they move early. Because today, money doesn't reward effort, it rewards strategy. The biggest difference is ownership. The 1% doesn't rely on income. They rely on assets. They own businesses, systems, and investments that generate cash flow every single day. Instead of spending what they earn, they reinvest it again and again. That's why their money grows even while they sleep. But it doesn't stop there. In 2026, the 1% no longer guesses. They use data, systems, and intelligent strategies to track where money is going before it becomes obvious. They don't follow trends, they create them. By the time the world catches on, they're already preparing to exit. Money moves in cycles. The 1% enters early, builds positions quietly, and exits when the hype arrives. This is where most people lose. They buy late, follow the noise, and react emotionally. But the 1% moves with precision, patience, and control. Saving money is no longer enough. The 1% doesn't just keep money, they leverage it. Every dollar they have is working, growing, and expanding. If money is sitting still, it's losing value. But if it's moving correctly, it creates more of itself. That's the real game. The 1% doesn't chase money. They control the flow, and that's why it always flows back to them.